Welcome back to my channel, and I'm doing a series on gift boxes, and the one I'm going to talk about today is the one that's the body butter one. So that has my lavender body butter, it has lip balms, and then it has a little soap in there. So it's a nice little gift box that I'm putting together, and I just want to show you how I'm doing that. So hello and welcome. I'm Diane from Vermont Lavender, where I make a lot of handmade gift and body care products. So I make soaps and lotions and shower steamers. So if you're interested in learning how I make a lot of different products, today I'm going to be putting together a gift boxes that you can, some ideas that you could use for like the Christmas season, or like this one is great for the not only the Christmas season, but for birthdays and especially Mother's Day. So I'm going to show you how I put this body gift set together. And I have some labels here that I just printed out, and it has my QR code on it, which is a really good idea. It makes it easy for people to just scan it and go to your website, so it is an idea. And I'm going to put that on there, and then I'm just going to show you how I put this together. And if you're interested in this, visit me online or in person. And so I get this box here from papermart.com, and that's it there, and then the tissue, you know, you can get that anywheres. So I'm going to just put on a little bit of music and show you how I do this. And this actually is a custom gift. I didn't have any more of this soap. It's a floral rose soap. I offer a different floral soap that's on my website, and you'll see that I have photos of that. And this here, she came in, she decided, hey, you know, but I told her, I said, I don't have that rose soap, I sold out of it. So she picked out another soap that I can put in there that the person that she's gifting it to would like. So I'm just going to fit it first to make sure, and then I have a little checklist that I have to make sure I have all the items that are supposed to go in the box. So this is all set. See, you don't hear anything? So this won't break or anything like that. It's very well securely packaged and it's ready for gift giving. So thank you for joining me today. If you see the value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, gift care products, just visit me online at vermontlavender.com or come into the shop. I'd love to see you. The next video to watch after this one is hand-stamped gift sets, lavender lotions. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.